Okay, so I am currently 10 weeks, 2 days today. I got a Sonoline B Doppler. We're gonna see if we can find the heartbeat. Here we go. Now you'll know that it's the baby's heartbeat because it's gonna be way faster than yours. There it is. Let's see if we can pick it up more. There we go. So I don't think that's an accurate heart rate on there right now, but you can hear it.
And Mommy, how long have you been waiting for this?
So it looks like it's not reading correctly, but you can definitely hear it because my heart rate is not that fast. So yes, you can pick up the heart rate super early with these Dopplers. Oh, there we go, it's adjusting. So now it's 150, 157, 159.
It's a lot bigger when I told it.
And you can kind of show where show where I have the Doppler right now on my belly, like how low it is. So it is like right above like my C-section scar.
So, Mommy, how high is it right now? It's as high as the window, right, Mama?
Oh, like how high is the volume?
No, how? So the baby is high as a window.
Oh, it's like a Lego guy.
Yeah. And it looks like aliens still.
No, it still looks like a baby now. All right, well there you go. So it definitely picks it up early.
Definitely try like this video.
All right, bye.